Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Amazon Picks. Today I'm going to show you one of the best products you can buy online right now. If you're looking for quality, performance, and value for money, this video is for you. Built for demanding cutting tasks. Designed as a high-performance electric box cutter for dense materials like corrugated boxes, carpet, leather, and rigid plastics. This cardboard cutter is ideal for packaging work, home projects, and professional tasks where clean, controlled cuts matter. Smart Eco Plus Boost Power System. Engineered to deliver a stable electric scissors experience, the Smart Eco Plus Boost system provides smooth cutting for daily tasks with short bursts of extra power when needed, then automatically returns to Eco for safety and motor protection. Self-sharpening titanium blade, consistent over time. The titanium-coated blade resists wear and corrosion, while the built-in self-sharpening mode maintains optimal sharpness automatically. Fewer jams, smoother cuts, and no need for frequent blade replacements. Tour-level golf rangefinder. Introducing ACEGMET PFS5 Rangefinder Golf with 1,300 yards max measuring and accuracy up to ±1 yard. Coach mode, red and black dual display, dual power supply, slope switch with EnviroSlope tech, and magnetic mount. This accessory is suitable for golfers. Exclusive coach mode. The ACEGMET PFS5 features an innovative coach mode, allowing you to measure the distance from ball to pin without approaching your ball. Using triangulation technology on the course, it enables getting the distance between any 2 points, even if the pin is not visible. Red and black dual display and 7x magnification. Red and black dual display ensures maximum readability in all light conditions, even in low light conditions like fog, dusk, or early morning. With 7x magnification, 7.5 degrees FOV, and 1,300 yard range, this golf laser rangefinder helps you spot targets fast and with ease. 144-in-1 electric screwdriver kit. The STREBITO precision screwdriver set includes one mini electric screwdriver to make your repair work easier and more efficient, one precision screwdriver for projects that require more torque, 120 magnetic bits for most electronics, and 22 repair tools for various disassembly and maintenance tasks. This screwdriver set is a must-have for IT technicians, PC builders, and professional fixers. 7-in-1 wireless charging. The Acer 7-in-1 wireless charging station supports a 30-watt adapter for fast, simultaneous charging for multiple devices. It can power up to 6 devices at once. 2 wireless phone chargers, 1 for wireless earbuds, 1 for Apple Watch, 2 wired ports USB-A and USB-C. Engineered for efficient charging, integrating all your charging needs at home or in the office. Note, case thickness should be less than 2 mm. Apple Charging Station Ecosystem. Charging station for multiple devices. Apple revolutionizes the charging experience for Apple ecosystem users. Compatible for iPhone 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11 Max all series, AirPods Pro, Apple Watch. The iPhone and Apple Watch are designed to charge wirelessly, making it easy to use them. For Apple users in mixed device workplaces, everything can be charged in one place. The Apple wireless charging station is the perfect choice to nightstand or desk. Easy to use and easy to clean. Effortlessly core, slice, and peel pineapples. No messy and time-saving. Simply cut off the top of the pineapple, aim at the pineapple core, and twist the tool into the fruit from the top to the bottom, then pull out perfectly sliced rings. Cleaning is a breeze just by washing under the water and dishwasher safe. Reinforced sharp blades and upgraded material. Made with high-quality stainless steel, our pineapple core and slicer is durable and built to last. You can check the product price and full details from the link in the description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching.